Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: your Microsoft account login, the Xbox app installed, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, open the Xbox app and tap Sign In. This authenticates you to Microsoft services, so the app can read your profile, achievements, and friends. Make sure you allow requested permissions; those let voice chat and file access work. If you use two-step verification, have your authenticator or email code ready. You'll need it immediately to complete sign-in. Next, you verify your identity and add the console. Enter the two-step code when prompted. This prevents unauthorized access. Then, navigate in the app to Profile, Settings, and the section for Xbox consoles or devices. This is where you add a console to your account. Follow prompts to pair. Either type the numeric code shown on the console into the app or scan the console's QR code with your phone camera. This links your mobile session to the correct Xbox, enabling remote features. To finish, verify the console appears in your linked devices list and test a remote feature like party chat or game streaming. Making sure it works confirms the link. If you notice missing friends, content, or permission errors, sign out and sign back in. This refreshes tokens and often fixes sync problems. If that fails, restart the app, your phone, router, and console, then repeat the pairing steps. A full restart clears cache and network glitches. Try it before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.